y times y. Remember, anytime we do not see exponent next to the variable or to the number, there is always invisible one. Anytime you multiply variables or numbers with the same base, in this case my base is y, you're supposed to keep the base and add exponents, 1 plus 1. My answer is y to the second power, because 1 plus 1 is 2. This is the solution. Next, first I have to multiply the signs. Remember, anytime I have bracket between two numbers or between two signs, it's like having multiplication. Okay? Anytime I do not see any sign inside of the parentheses, there is always positive sign. So that's why I'm going to multiply the signs first. Negative times positive will give me negative. Next, I have to multiply the numerical integers. So I have 6 times 4 is equal 24. And in this case, I have to just copy x. This is the solution to my problem. Next, again, I'm going to start with understanding the problem. Anytime I have bracket between the variable and number, or between two signs or two numbers, there is like having multiplication. So there's like invisible multiplication sign over here. I have to multiply signs first. Negative times negative will give me positive, okay? 2y times 5 is equal 10y. My answer is 10y, because we most of the time don't write positive sign. This is the solution to my problem.